show you. Look, ladies. You ready? Here we go. You wanna hold? Yeah, put your finger there. They sit on your finger. Don't be afraid. Try. Look, she has to balance. Here, take this picture of her, please. Feeding it. That's it. You ready? Oh, what's happened? Feel their belly is full. Now, this one's empty. Yeah, you look how good she is. You want to hold? Mummy will take a picture. Then when you get a big girl, gee, did I hold the picture? Yeah. Ready? We're going to let go. You ready to take the picture?
Yeah.
Look, she's sitting next to you. Look at that. Touch it with your fingers. Now, hold on.